Welcome guys. In this lesson we will learn or we will discuss about a variable. Before go to lessons, please like, share, subscribe our channel for more videos. So what's variable? What's variable? A variable is a name that store a value temporarily in the computer memory, so we can use or change it later. Okay, so in also we can say variable is a name of memory location which is used to store for temporary data. Okay, so for example we are get some variable. Okay, in name name is equal to double quotation hello. Okay, this variable name in here is variable. We store a value hello. Hello is a value. Okay, hello is value, a name is variable. So when you wanna run or you want to output, you can write print what print in here name. Okay, so in this lesson or run this one hello. Okay, so another example. So another example we have, for example, name name is equal to double quotation Ahmed. Okay, so and then last name is equal to double quotation Wahid. Okay, so in middle name is equal to double quotation, sorry, middle underscore name is equal to double quotation, for example, uh, Ahmad Khan. Okay, so go, click and select this one, cut or bring here. How to output this one? Okay, so for the first time we go to and get print what name. Okay, so and then again print middle name. Okay, come here and then print in last name and close this one, run this ahmad ahmad Khan Wahid. Okay, for example, sharada shara sharda in Khan, or in here we write Khapda. Okay, so run this one. This is this one. If you want to give other example, you can also. For example, I want for the first time name is equal to double quotation Sharda, so and age is equal to 23. Okay, so in here I want to output this one. Okay, right, print cause bracket in double quotation your name is your name is double dot n, go to what, go to and join the name. Okay, a space double quotation or double quotation space and go to here double quotation, for example, your age is. Okay, double dot n concatenate to what age. Okay, 1 minute, concatenate type in age, sorry, 1 minute. Okay, concatenate no double quotation, concatenate age, concatenate double quotation in, close this one, or if you don't want this, close this one and this one, come here and also print your age is. Okay, double quotation plus age and run run this. So we have age is what? Age is this. Sorry, age is equal to 20. Okay, and run this one. 1 minute. Your name is Sharda. Age is equal to 20. Okay, this is not right. Integer. This is an integer in. Okay, no problem. So select this one and select this one, and I go to age. 1 minute. And I go to age is equal to 20, right? Age is equal to 20 and print. So 1 minute. So first I want to output this one and also print age, or print this one, this output Sharda. Okay, 1 minute. In here I will get print double quotation your name is double dot or double quotation plus name, or select this one, click in here. Your name is Sharda. In here I will write 1 minute, sorry, plus double quotation, and your age is plus str, and this one, your age is this. Okay, select this one and go to print output. Okay, your name is Sharda, your age is double dot 20 plus str, because so first we will convert the age, because age is integer type. Okay, so inshallah we will discuss about of integer in string next video. Please like, share, subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.